welcome to the Wedding Brigade TV. Today I'm going to show you how to remove makeup the right way, especially if you're a lazy girl like me. So let's start. So the first thing to start with is always with your eyes. Now, take a few cotton pads like this, pour some baby oil on it, just like this, and then put it on your eyes. Very spa feels. I do look like a pilot. Anyway, and now dab, dab, dab. Do it for both of your eyes. Ta-da! Once done with the eyes, move on to the next area that has the maximum gunk on it, and that's your lips. Take a cotton pad like this and pour some baby oil on it, and then rub, rub, rub. But be gentle on your lips. So once done with step 1 and 2, let's move on to the face. You can take your moisturizer and then rub it on your face like this. Swab, swab, swab. Again, be very gentle on your face because too much force is never good for your skin. So the fourth step is to wash your face. But if you're as lazy as me, then you might want to skip that step. So now the savior comes in. The wet wipes. So these wet wipes is gonna help you remove any remaining makeup without washing your face. Easy peasy. So now the final step. You might be thinking that your face is all clean, but you don't know the corners. So that's when the earbuds come in. Ta-da! Pour some coconut oil on it and clean the corners of your eyes. So once done with all this, let your skin breathe for a few minutes before you put on the moisturizer. So guys, I'm all set for bed. So while I get my beauty sleep, you don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, ciao.